What's up, y'all? So we got a new video here with Floyd Mayweather jumping on Instagram, showing off his customized Lambo truck that he just got back after switching out all the interior in the car. You know, he got like lime green seats and lime green steering wheel, and like basically everything is lime green. But I'm gonna let you guys check it out. So yeah, as you guys could see in the video right there, Floyd Mayweather, he was showing off just one of his, probably dozens of cars that he got. But he was showing off how he got it customized with like everything lime green. If you guys can leave a comment down below what you think. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.